Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely opening your controller and replacing the joystick. First, turn off your Cinco controller and remove any batteries if applicable. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws located on the back of the controller. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to separate the back cover from the front. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any internal components. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. After the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components of the controller. Locate the joystick module, which is typically secured by a few more screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. Next, gently lift the joystick module out of its housing. If it feels stuck, use the tweezers to carefully disconnect any wires attached to it. This is a delicate process, so take your time. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once the old joystick is removed, take your new joystick module and place it into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and reconnect any wires you may have detached. Secure the joystick module with the screws you previously removed. Now, it's time to reassemble your controller. Align the back cover with the front and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Replace the 4 screws on the back, ensuring they are tightened, but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. Before testing your controller, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your controller. Finally, turn on your size Cinco controller and test the new joystick. Make sure it responds correctly in the menus and during gameplay. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get back to gaming in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.